Now I'm going to use the abacus to show how trick number 17 works. Now if you recall, the step 1 to trick number 17 is to multiply 17 times 10, and hopefully my students will know it's 170, so I'm going to represent 170 by using these beads. So this equals 170. The next step is to subtract 17 from 170, so that's what I'm going to do. However, I don't have enough ones here, so there's no ones here, so I'm going to borrow a 10 and make it 10 ones. If you look at this, this will equal 170 because this is 100, this is 6 tens and then 10 ones. So now I'm going to subtract 17 from that. So I'm going to subtract 110 and 17, and 7 more, and I still get the same product as I did before in my last video, which is 153. Now we're going to use another example to illustrate this trick, but it's going to be a little bit trickier, and it's going to utilize a test for reasonableness. And so we're going to use the example 7.8 times 9. I would suggest to my students to ignore the decimal and go with that. So I would say, what's 78 times 10? So that would be 780. And so I would go 780. And then we're going to subtract 78 from that. So then again, I don't have enough ones here, so I'm going to have to borrow. And then I'm going to subtract 78. So I'm going to go 3, 6, that's 78. So what I have is 702. However, this is where we could use a T of R. 7.8 is close to 8, so we know that 8 times 9 is 72. So we would insert a decimal point here. So the answer, the reasonable answer for this problem would be 70 and 2/10, 70.2. So by using this strategy with the abacus, students will be able to understand the true meaning for multiplication. They will be using their skills of estimation, tests of reasonableness, and subitizing.